Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and I am the owner of couponboys.com. Today we will talk about how we can use this site couponboys.com. Okay, so let's get started. First you have to go to Google, or you can directly type couponboys.com. But I will show you on Google. You can, if you type couponboys, okay, the first link is this. So you click on this, we'll go to this website, and we have plenty of stores, around 250, and we are keep updating new stores every day. So how to use it? Suppose if you want to buy anything from Amazon, or like this is for an example. Okay, so if you click here, say it will go to a new page, okay, where you can add your Facebook comment also, if this deal is okay or you got any benefit from it. And since this is a deal, so if you click view deal, you see that this tab is automatically changed, okay, and you got this space Amazon. And since it's a deal, this deal is already activated. You click on view and copy. If you have any coupon code, it will automatically copy in your memory. And if you use this coupon option, use the coupon here, it will also go to this page. Okay, so it's for your use, it's for your easiness. Here is the same thing, and here is also the same thing. So either you can use here or you can use here. Okay, now this is about the deal. What about the coupons? Okay, so let's find any coupon. How to get about it? See, let's search for any coupon. Okay, we have this thing on top. You can search by any, by category, by coupons or deal, or by stores. Okay, so suppose let's go to some other thing, not the Flipkart. I'll show you one coupon, maybe. Okay, get one small price on order above 100 rupees. Okay, maybe this, click on this, you will go to a new page. Yes, see view coupons, and it has got some condition also. Okay, so click on view coupon, it will go to this page automatically. Okay, but you have not got any coupon, so here it is, view and copy this coupon. Okay, the coupon code is A100. It's already been copied, so you have to add this thing. Okay, and when you already added all the things and you go to cart, and when you wanted to actually finish the buying, then use this coupon A100. Okay, so see, this will also go to this page only. See, this page is same, it is for your easiness. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use this site. And guys, I want you to give me feedback regarding this. If you like it, if you don't like it, you want any changes. We have this thing also, like if you have got any credit card offers, not credit card offers, if any stores give you credit card offers, like if you buy something using your credit card, or will give you some discount, or no. So like if you like for example, let's see if SDFC have got some offers. Yes, see, like if you buy something on this site with SDFC card, it will give you 5% off. Okay, so guys, Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.